So I saw that it was snowing in Chicago, so I was like, fly to Florida. So I've been in Tampa for 2 years. Then I thought, let's go around Tampa and check out all the different beaches and show you guys around. So Clearwater is my favorite one because it has white sand, blue beach, nice and sunny. So Sona, how did you like the Clearwater beach?
It was awesome.
Time for the second beach. My goal is to go to St. Pete before the sunset so that I get to get some good pictures. And at last I'm here. This is beautiful. Alright, time to go back. It was a beautiful sunset. I love this so much.